guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing us how we can use a Web3 browser that enables us to use our wallet extensions, just like the previous video we uploaded, that is the Kiwi browser. However, the Kiwi browser was just available for Android users, but the Mrs. browser is available for both Android and iOS users. So let's dive in. First off, you need to download the browser. Head onto your Play Store, absolutely on your device, and you search for Mrs. That's MISES browser, and this is the browser here. Mine is already installed, so you can see that Mrs. browser is a fast, secure Web3 browser that can load extensions. So it gives you that desktop interface on a mobile view. Alright, so once this browser has been downloaded, you go right ahead to open up the browser. Alright, so once this browser opens up, you'll be presented with this interface. As you can see, it's more like a Web3 browser where you can have different tools and different DEXes and wallets that we use in the Web3 space, and that is in the crypto space. You can see the Web3 sites like Galax, where we use in doing quests for the Bearer chain. You can see Uniswap, where we use interacting with Ethereum-based tokens. We can also scroll up to see different extensions that we can add to the browser, like the Kepler wallet, OKEX wallet, Metamask wallet. So for instance, let's say we want to add our Metamask wallet. All you need to do is just to tap on it. Then it brings you automatically to the web store, that is the Chrome web store, and then you just tap on add to Chrome, and then you tap on OK. Alright, so once you tap on OK, it will then try to load the Metamask extension into the Mrs. browser. So we just have to wait a while for this to be fully complete. Alright, great, it has been added, and for you to confirm this, you just need to tap on extension over here, and you can see that our Metamask has been added to the list of extensions we have on the browser. You can also go back, you just have to tap on new tab. Alright, you can also go back to see different extensions that we can add by tapping on more. Okay, so once you just tap on more extensions should load up. Let's just wait for this page to fully load up. Okay, so we can see multi-chain, OKEX wallet, Trust wallet, BJet. You can see so many tools that we use in the Web3 space, which is just here at your disposal. You can just explore everything, the ones that you need. You tap on it, you add it to the browser, and you make use of it on the Mrs. browser like you would on your desktop. So that is it for wallet. You can also tap on security. You can see revoke.cash and other security tools that we use in the crypto space. So when you spare time, go through this browser, use it. If you do not have a laptop or a PC, your desktop at your disposal at the time, probably you're on the move and you quickly want to hop onto an activity on the Web3 space, you can use this browser and to be really easy for you to fully do all that you need to do. Alright guys, so I hope this video has been helpful. Ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the post notification bell for more educative content like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.